Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Miss Nene, and today I wanted to do my own interpretation of the four elements. So this is going to be a two-parter. Part one, I believe I'm going to do fire and air, and I am listing the colors so you can see what I'm going to be using. Also, I want to point out the obvious that this canvas over here has some bulking in the corner, And yeah, I only had 4 canvases left, so I had to use it. But as shitty as it looks right now, oops, excuse my language. I'm sorry. As crappy as it looks, it did turn out very well. The canvas is very sturdy and tight, so I was happy with the end results. So yeah, I'm going to do part 2, and I'm going to do part 1 right now, and then part 2 will be earth and water. So I'm going to go ahead and let this video play out. I will see you at the end. I will show you the final results of all 4 together with some added embellishments. And I guess I'll see you then. Thanks for watching. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. So here it is. Fire. Yeah, I think it looks good. I like the colors. Yeah, I think it represents it. Well, my interpretation of it anyway, of fire for the elements. And I can't wait to show you the finished parts. The finished, all four of them finished with the elements that I added onto it, or the not the elements, but the embellishments. So again, this is fire, and up next is air. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. So here it is, air. As you see, I had to swipe on both ends because I was trying to get, well, I wanted negative space. It didn't look right with it being all one color, covering the whole board. I wanted to give that illusion of air just blowing. So I needed to have the white negative space on both sides. So that's air, my interpretation of air. And that's the end of part one. Part two is coming up next. Don't forget to watch. See you in part two. Bye-bye.